Memories of you lives in me.
Not again. Jasper. 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 Oh my God. Jasper. Come on, man. Not all the time. Okay, come on, get up. Let me take you upstairs. Come on, come on. Stand up. Jasper, you need to stop this now. Huh? Okay, get up. Come on. Please. What is wrong? Easy. Watch your leg. Watch the steps. Come on, man. Almost there. Okay.
Good evening.
I have warned you never to miss my calls.
I'm sorry. I wasn't able to help you.
I don't care what you were doing. When I call, you answer. Have I made myself clear?
Yes.
Rubbish.
It seems somebody wants to go on a double shift today. Ella. Nurse Ella.
Nene, it's you.
It's me. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Don't I look okay?
No, you don't. You look a little bit disturbed and you've not been your usual self. Like something is bothering you. What's the problem?
My sister, you know, see the economy. I'm just thinking about my life and how I'll sort out my family out and everybody.
Oh, I see. As for this economy, it is God that is going to help us. Your thoughts will not do anything to it. Oh?
Amen. So, what were you saying?
I was just wondering now. Maybe you wanted to go on a double shift, so I'll just go back and change my clothes and start going.
Double shift? Why? What's the time? Nene! Oh, you should have told me my shift was over now.
As your timekeeper now.
Oh!
And to take it easy, you have enough time to get home. So you should have told me my time is over now as timekeeper.
Good evening, sir. I'm sorry I'm late. There was traffic and I had to stop by the market to buy things to make dinner.
You have 30 minutes to serve me dinner.
Okay, sir.
Whew. Big bro, food is ready.
You can have it. I'm not hungry.
This is what you've been saying for days. You're not hungry. You're not hungry. You're hurting yourself. Oh. You're seriously hurting yourself, and in turn is affecting everyone in your environment, including me. And need I remind you that there's nothing you're going to do to yourself. There's no torture, there's no pain you subject yourself to that is going to change what has happened. And then for days now you've not eaten. You just soak yourself in strong alcohol. If you continue like this, you're going to fall sick. Oh. Huh? Please.
I can't do this. I can't do this anymore. Of what use is life? My world crashed 3 years ago in an instant. And after then, there was nothing left. My life became miserable. You want to hear the truth, bro? I don't want to be here.
I don't like the way you're sounding. I really don't like the way you're sounding now. It's very, very scary. Huh? You still have me. Huh? Please. You can still start again. At least just eat. You need the strength, please. Just eat small. Should I bring it for you? Come on, brother, please now. This thing you're doing is not fair now. It's not fair. It's not funny again now. Eat something now.
Oh, Nurse Ella.
Yes, I brought the report.
Okay.
I can see you have a new nurse.
Oh yes, she's here for our internship program.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Oh, great. You can go, Nurse. Thank you.
She looks very beautiful.
Jaden, I know that.
Please, what
all right, so just like I told you earlier, that's all you need to do. Okay. Right? I understand your brother's predicament because I was there from the very onset.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. So all you need to do, I mean, you taking care of him right now, you're doing a great job. Okay. All you need to do now is put into consideration all I have told you. Ordinarily, I would have suggested a therapist, but since he doesn't want that, let's do it the way he wants it. All right?
No, it's fine.
Okay, so we'll just do it this way?
Yes, I'll do exactly as you've said.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I do appreciate this, okay?
Yes. Yeah. And another thing, Jaden, Jasper is a fighter. He will come out of this, okay?
I really pray he does. I really pray. I wish he does.
He will.
Thank you so much, okay? Thank you so much for everything.
It's okay. Just contact me in case something else comes up.
Yeah, sure. I will do that, okay?
Okay.
I'll just be on my way.
Okay, I'll just see you off there. All right.
Who is there? I'm coming.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid or something?
I'm sorry, I was sleeping. I didn't hear you.
You were sleeping. You didn't hear me. I knocked for minutes and you locked me out. That means you were deaf. Stupid.
I'm sorry.
You know I hate that word, Ella. You know I hate that word. Hmm? You know that I hate that word, Ella.
Oh, let me.
Stupid Jezebel. Useless. Yeah, I'll dump you this house. Stupid girl.
Good day. Get something to drink.
Jaden! Jaden!
Brother.
Jaden, where are they?
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. I said, where are they?
I took them out. Brother, please. You've become a shadow of yourself. God. You do not eat. You do not go out. You don't talk to anyone except the bottles. Please, you can't continue like this. Myself, I'm tired. I don't know what else to do. But one thing I'm sure of is that these bottles will not solve your problem. It will just make it worse. Please.
If you have forgotten, let me remind you that you are my brother and not my father. And this is my house. You are a guest here. This is the last time you will go and take things that you did not buy. Because if you try it again with me, you will not like it. I will let this slide because you are family. If you don't like my conduct in this house, that is the door, you can use it. I never ever want to see you touch anything that is of mine again. Rubbish.
And where do you think you're going?
I'm going to work.
You can't go to work looking like this.
Nobody is going to see this. It's just Nene and I on duty today. And besides, when I get to work, I'll apply more powder on it.
Ella, we're not even debating this. I said, you can't leave the house looking like this.
Please now, haven't you tortured me enough? For the past 2 days I've been here. Please don't let me get into trouble at work.
I see your plan. You want to leave this house like this so that when people ask you, you will paint me black. Huh?
Oh, so you care about your reputation? Well, I'm not that jobless. I don't go about sharing my business with people.
I'll see to that. Now, you're not stepping your foot out of this house. As you can see, the door is locked. And that is final.
Oh no, Chris! Chris, no, please, no, you can't do this. Chris!
I can see you've restocked. Well, you shouldn't have. The former is still safe.
I don't need them, you can keep them.
Brother, if I may ask, how much of the pain has these bottles taken away from you? Because from my point of view, you're still that lonely, pained, depressed man who cries every night just to sleep. Huh?
How dare you speak to me in that manner? You have no right to tell me how to live my life. And you see these bottles here? I don't ever want you to touch them. If I perish, I perish.
There can be other ways to this. You don't have to keep drinking. You don't have to keep drinking all the time.
Nene, I swear, I wish I could cancel. See, I promise you, I will take 2 shifts. True. Thank you so much. I really appreciate what you've done for me now. Thank you. Okay, no problem. Take care of yourself, okay? No problem. Thank you. Why do you hate me so much? Why do you treat me with so much disdain?
Because you were bad luck. You destroyed my life.
It was not intentional. That fire was huge. I would have lost my life.
It would have been better you died.
Chris.
And I had my goods. Of what use are you to me?
What happened to the love you professed to me?
That love died the very day you set my shop ablaze.
I swear, I had no hand in it.
If you think that you're suffering, then have a rethink, because your suffering has just started. You will continue to pay with your tears.
Chris.
Why you keep on punishing me? Why can't you forgive and let go? After everything we shared, oh, you keep on hurting me again and again. No matter how
I wasn't ready to let you go.
But it's not working out. It's not working out. Oh.
I don't want anything.
The more I try, the more I fail.
I just want you back.
It's never working out. It's never working out, baby.
My life is miserable without you.
Oh, you have to change to make this work.
And I am not okay.
'Cause I still miss you.
I just want you back.
Away from me. You're fading away in my heart. Every day you abuse me blue and black. Don't you have a heart? Tell me where's your heart, baby. I have done everything for you to appease your heart, but it's not working out. Oh, I still love you. Oh, you have to change to make this work. You have to change to make this work. 'Cause I still miss you. But you're fading away from me. You're fading away in my heart. I still love you. Boy, you have to change to make this work. You have to change to make this work. 'Cause I still miss you. Boy, you're fading away from me. You're fading away in my heart.
My big bro. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. I just have a headache.
Oh, You must be from the hangover. Sorry, do you care for some tea?
Yeah, I think tea will be fine. That would help.
Just give me 1 minute. I'll be right back, okay? Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I see you're ready for work.
Yes. You know we miss you at work, right? And then, have you thought about coming back?
Not yet. But hopefully soon.
It's okay. Take all the time you need. I got you. Okay?
Thanks.
Yeah, please. Try and drink or eat anyone that is okay for you. I have to. I'm almost running late, you know.
Chris, I'm talking to you.
What is it, Ella? What is it?
The landlord just asked me for money for rent. What do you mean, I gave it to you a month ago. You said you'd pay it when I wanted to pay it.
I used the money, Ella.
You did what? For what? Chris, where do you expect me to get the money to repay it?
I don't know. And I don't care. Look, Ella, as you can see, I am dressed for a party. And I'm in a high spirit. I wouldn't want you to mess with my mood. He is your landlord. And this is your house. So fix it.
Oh God. What kind of man is this? God help me.
Wait, Ella. You're going through all this. You didn't think to tell anyone. Like you didn't care to tell anyone, even me.
Tell who? Besides, how would that help my situation?
Ella, you should leave. Pack your things and leave.
To where? That's my house, so remember.
Oh. Then tell him to leave.
It's not that easy. Remember, I'm the reason behind this situation.
Spare me that.
And besides, he doesn't have anybody else.
I'm the reason for this situation. And besides, he doesn't have anyone else. See, girl, it was not your fault. It was just an accident.
Well, he thinks otherwise. And I was actually at the scene. Maybe there was something I could have done to stop it.
There is nothing you would have done to stop the situation. See, the situation overpowered you. It was just an accident, Ella. Stop blaming yourself for all this.
Let's just go, please. Remember, I have to still cook this night.
You're acting like this guy owns your life.
Walk fast.
Please walk fast. I have to cook. He's going to kill me.
Walk fast.
Stop acting like he owns your life, Jerry.
What time are you coming to work tomorrow?
Coming from someone who would never come to work early.
It has reached like that now. Abba, I thought you were my guy now.
Don't worry, rush home before your Mr. Bulldozer will use
walk
you
fast,
and punch him
please.
back as usual.
Ella! Ella!
I'm coming.
What is this? Why would you serve me water without food?
I'm bringing it.
My friend, will you take out and get me food? I'm hungry. My friend, I don't want to wait for you. My friend, shoot. Just from the kitchen to the dining, you're bringing me food as if you're serving one god. What is the meaning of this? Emanuela! Emanuela! Emanuela!
Yes, sir.
Let that sir kill you there. Come here. Ella! What's going on here? What's this?
Where? What's wrong?
What is wrong? If you served me food without meat?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I didn't have enough money on me.
You're very, very stupid. Very, very stupid. And how many times have I warned you that whenever you want to cook, you cover your hair? What's the meaning of this hair I'm seeing here? Huh? I'm asking you, what is the meaning of this, Ella?
I actually covered my hair while I was making it.
So where is this hair coming from?
I don't know. Maybe it's from your beard.
Look, Ella. Ella, I don't want to do anything stupid. If you provoke me, I swear to God, I will kill you and I will go in for it. Look, I don't care how you're going to do it. I am stepping out. And I'll be back in an hour's time. And I want my food served with 3 pieces of meat. And I do otherwise, and I swear you will face my wrath.
Where will I get money to buy meat?
Take this food out of here! Take this poison out of here! So one day I will kill you in this house.
Hello, brother. I brought you a beautiful company. Yes. Just look at that. Turn for him. Look at that. Front, back, everywhere.
Fine man.
Yeah.
Jasper, what's going on here?
I brought you company.
Exactly.
You understand what I'm saying? Come on, you're a man. Look at.
Fine man.
You see that?
Fine man.
You see vibe? You see vibe?
This guy's the room, let's go.
Sorry, excuse me. Jaden, can I speak to you for a second?
Yes.
I'm sure your guest wouldn't mind.
No. I'm waiting.
Brother. Jaden. Yes. Did I tell you that I needed a woman?
Come on now. You're my brother. You don't have to say it. I know what you need, and currently you need company. It's going to help. Huh?
Jaden, I'm happy that you're now a therapist and you know what I want. Now, do you know exactly what I want? I want you to take her, wherever you got her from, back.
Brother, don't do this.
And if she doesn't live in Lagos, you can put her in a hotel and the both of you can have fun. Okay?
She came for me very fast.
Bro, I'm serious.
Okay, don't come back.
Nice to meet you, okay?
Thank you.
I guess I'll see you later, alright? Do have a wonderful evening. The both of you.
No, it's not like that. He's just not in the mood today. Yes.
Emodi, do you want me?
Come on.
Bros.
Stop it.
Bye, bros.
Please, can you just, please?
My money. Bros.
Can I hold on?
Okay, bros. It's not as fine. Bros, let's say your bed go fine.
Please call your account number. 20.
21.
21. 31. 00. 16. Ope.
Yes.
Obiageli.
We can call me Jesse, baby.
Please check your account.
I think of you every day. Oh, memories of you lives in me.
This is going to be me and you.
Yeah, I can't move on.
Forever.
How can I move on from you, baby? I wish I can take the hands of time, oh, and bring you back to me one more time. Ooh.
Chris, I'm ready to go. Chris. I'm ready to go to work. I don't have any money.
How is that my business?
But Chris, I give you all my salary at the end of every month, and you're supposed to give me some for my transport.
Yeah. Listen, what? Yeah. If you like, scream down this building. I don't have a dime to give to you.
Chris, please, I'm not screaming. I'm just begging you to give me some money so I can go to work. Chris, how will I go to work without money now?
Trek! Ella, trek! Or better still, fly.
This is not fair. Oh. How am I supposed to go to work now?
Ella, what happened in there?
I just don't know. My head is full.
See, I understand that Chris is the reason for all this. But you have to be very careful, Ella. You took those vitals wrongly. I know you're going through a lot. Yes, I know you're going through so much emotional pain and the rest, but whatsoever you are going through, once you get to the gate of this hospital, you drop them there and walk in here with a clear mindset. Because what do we do here? We save lives and not to kill. Come on, what you did there was a total mess. Thank God the patient didn't see it. And Dr. Felix, he is very, very angry. So Ella, start looking for a way to pacify him.
That's the problem. He's so upset. I don't even know where to start from.
Better start from apology later. Because thank God that patient didn't see those vitals. Thank God the patient didn't notice your error. See, Ella, you have to be very careful. I know how we suffer to get the internship in this hospital. Be careful and don't say I didn't warn you.
I will.
And where do you think you're going?
Chris, I'm going to work.
Are you seriously going to answer me from behind? I ask again, where are you going?
I'm going to work. I'm on night shift.
And how am I even sure that it is work you're going to and not to fall league with your doctor?
Chris, you know that's not the case here.
Ella, I want to have you tonight, and that is final.
Chris, please, please, please. I have to be at work in 30 minutes. I cannot jeopardize my job over anything.
Who cares? Does it look like I care? All I know is that you have a responsibility with me, and that you must fulfill before going anywhere.
Chris, see, I promise you, once I get back, we can go for as long as you want.
Ella.
But for now, let me just go to work.
Ella. I want you to go to the room and strip yourself naked and wait for me.
Chris, I have to be at work, oh.
Ella, I do not want you to push me. So enjoy it now that I'm being soft on you. Go into the room, strip yourself naked and wait for me.
Chris, I can't. I'm going to...
I said! Go to the room and wait for me.
Chris, but I have to go to...
Are you stupid?
Ella, I've been trying to reach you.
Hi, Nene. Sorry, I've been indisposed to pick your call.
I called Nurse Chini to stand in for you, and I told Dr. Felix you called in sick. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you so much, Nene. I don't know what I would have done without you. Yes, I'm fine.
It's okay.
Are there any emergencies?
There is, 2 for that matter. An accident patient and a pregnant woman in labor fighting for her life.
Oh, I pray she survives this.
Amen. Are you sure you're okay?
Yes. I'm okay, Nene.
Okay, I have to go now. Duty calls.
I'll see you at work tomorrow, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Well, Nurse Ella, I have invited you into my office so I can talk to you, not just as a boss to an intern, but also I want you to look up to me like a father whom you can tell things. From my observations lately, even though I said I didn't want to delve into the issues, I see that you are struggling. And as far as I'm concerned, the mental state and psychological well-being of our staff matters to us. For you to have been away from work for 2 days, now that's a red flag as far as I'm concerned. So I want to ask you, and I need you to be sincere with me. Whatever are the issues you're going through, I want to know about them. What seems to be the problem?
Sir, there's no problem.
Nurse Ella, I have been long in this profession, long enough to know when an intern is not being truthful. Besides, I said I want you to see me as a father figure that you can talk to. What seems to be the problem?
Sir, it's actually my mother, sir.
Your mother?
Yes, sir. She's sick, sir.
Your mother is sick?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be the nature of the ailment?
It's this...
Oh, that doesn't really matter. This is what I want you to do. I want you to bring your mother to our facility here. Whatever it is, we will take care of it. And if it is beyond us, I have friends in the medical field that I can refer her to, and it will be taken care of on the house.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. That's very kind of you. I appreciate.
It's okay. Like I told you, you're one of our best hands here, and whatever affects you, directly or indirectly, affects us. So bring your mom to the hospital. Let us take care of her.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. You can go back to work.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Now, wow, this one that Chris allowed you to come to my house today.
You started. Thank you.
You're welcome. Share up, you're in your friend's house.
Nene, I'm just worried.
Fine, I don't need to ask you how are you. I know it's all about Chris, right?
Nene, this one is not about Chris, so I have a bigger issue on my plate right now.
What other issues do you have, Ella?
Nene, I lied. I lied to Dr. Felix.
You did what?
You know, he kept inquiring about my inadequacies at work. And there was no way I could tell him about my issues with Chris now. So I had to lie.
You had to lie, okay. So what did you tell him?
I told him that my mother is sick.
Oh.
Nene, calm down. That's not the main gist. Now, he wants me to bring my mother tomorrow for free treatment.
This is what they call double wahala for dead body.
My mother that died since. Hey, I don't know where to start from.
So what are we going to do now? Okay, see what will happen here. If you get to work and he asks you about your mother or why you've not brought her to the hospital, just tell him that your uncle, the one that senior your mother, came to take her to Abuja for better treatment, and that's it.
Nene, that is genius. Why didn't I think of this?
How can you think? When the only thing that is in your mind is Chris.
Yeah, you've started now. It's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. When we say come and seek advice from, professionals, you just be there doing anyhow.
Hey, look at the time, oh. Nene, I have to go. Hey, Chris does not eat stale food, so I have to go and make food.
I said it.
Hey?
Who doesn't eat stale food?
Thank you so much, my friend.
Who doesn't eat stale food? There's only a wicked person that won't eat stale food.
No. He's on this healthy diet, so his food has to be fresh. Please come and see me off.
See you off to here. You're actually one that is indulging this guy. I was in the theatre alongside Nurse Nora, attending to the accident patient. Nurse Tolu was attending to the patients in the ward. Everyone was busy and there was no one to attend to them. Not until Nurse Chini came and notified the obstetrician that there was a woman in labor. Maybe, just maybe if there was someone here, she would have been saved.
My friend, what is it? How would you have to dish the food if you know you're not hungry? What's the meaning of this? Why are you pitching on the food like that?
Chris, I want out.
Oh. It's fine. You want to go out? It's okay. It's okay. After all, I don't have need for you tonight, so when you're done, you can go.
Chris, I want out of this relationship. What's funny? I'm dead serious.
Please, Ella. This is a very good meal and I don't want to mess it up. Please. So don't make me laugh, please. Sorry.
Look,
she wants out.
Chris!
Hey! You are not going anywhere. I called a shot here. We are done when I say so. So for now, enjoy the ride, girlfriend. She wants out. You staring at me? Okay, girl, come on. Useless bad luck.
Yes, Mom. Well, he's still broken. It's so tiring. You not believe that he still holds so tight to those pictures. He goes to bed holding onto the picture and wakes up with the picture by his side. Myself, I'm even running out of options. I don't know what else to do. He's just finding it so difficult to move on. Yes, well, I'll keep trying. I don't know. I'll just keep trying. I can't give up on him. He's my brother. Yes. No. I'm still around. I have not traveled yet. I have to hang around until, I don't know, maybe a miracle happens. How is my father? Okay. Yeah, he told me about it. Yeah, it's okay. We're keeping up. Yeah, sure. I'll let you know if there's any new development. Okay, Mom. I love you too. All right, bye.
Good day, sir.
Oh.
Here's the report.
Okay, Nurse Ella. Thank you. Send in the young lady.
Okay, sir.
All right. Please sit down. Nurse Ella, see me in my office at once. Oh, yes. You did this?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, can you give us the room, please?
Doctor,
Yes.
please, is everything okay?
Everything is perfectly okay. Just give us a minute.
Okay.
Nurse Ella, what is this? What is this? Are you okay? Are you fine?
Sorry, sir. It was a mistake.
Mistake? Nurse Ella, I will have you know mistakes are not allowed in the medical field. They are not allowed. Mistakes can become fatal. They can become dangerous. They can get critical. We are dealing with human lives here. What's this? How is this even possible? You made these deductions. How is this even possible?
I'm sorry, sir. I'll fix it at once.
You will fix it. Nurse Ella, are you sure you're ready for this internship? Are you really sure you are ready for this? Because from what I see, you're not ready at all. You know what? I think you need 2-3 days off. Go home, think about this, and be sure you're ready before you return to this place, okay? I mean, we pride ourselves on the way we take care of patients here. We don't get careless, we don't get reckless. Now this is being careless, this is being reckless. You know what? Just get out of my office. Tell Nurse Nene to come and see me right now.
Very sorry, sir. I'm so sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Doctor, you called?
Yes, Nurse Nene, I called. There's a young lady at the reception there. She just left my office a few minutes ago.
The one on red?
The one on red. Yeah, I want you to meet her and take her vitals, okay?
Okay,
because
sir.
I don't know what's happening here. Please do this for me, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Ella, how many times have I called you, Ella?
Why is he shouting my name?
Leave this before it claims.
Bitch, it will not claim my life. I beg you, it has not gotten to that.
It has not gotten to that, but it might if something is not done about it.
It won't. Moreover, I've told him I want out, but he won't let me go.
Ella, you're playing with your life. Like you're so playing with your life.
Bloody bad luck. Ella. Why didn't you tell me you've been paid?
The alert only came in this afternoon and I was going to tell you.
You were going to tell me. Well, are you beginning to lie to me?
Huh.
Let me have your phone. $5,000 is missing.
Yes, I used it to buy things to make dinner.
Oh, well, I'm sure you've not spent all of it, because that is going to be your allowance for the next 2 weeks.
What? But Chris, that's too small. How about Chris?
And be fast with that dinner.
Chris, you're pushing me, oh. You're pushing me, oh. Hey. Okay.
Hey, brother, good evening. Oh my goodness. You're shivering. Brother, why didn't you call me?
I didn't want to disturb you.
No, you're not disturbing me. If you're feeling sick, you should call me. Huh? Okay, get up. Let me take you to the hospital. Come on. Get up.
It's okay. I'm just hungry.
You're hungry? You've not eaten today? Come on. And yet you go on consuming drinks with a whole lot of percentage of alcohol and there's nothing inside of you. Huh? It's okay, don't worry. Let me just get you something to eat, then I'll get you paracetamol. Huh? See, you're really running temperature.
will not do it.
You will do it, Ella.
I will not do it.
Ella, I said you will do it.
I will never do it.
Ella, you will do it.
Unless you want to kill me. Because it is only my dead body that will take me to that office.
Fine. Fine. It is good you've made a perfect choice. But let me tell you, you will get me that loan either dead or alive. So get ready.
But come to think of it though, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Why?
Every day, you sit at home, doing nothing. I go out to work, and I bring my salary and give you. Princess? Are you not ashamed? Chris ain't your fault. Are you not ashamed? For years, you have made me bear a burden of something I know nothing of. But today, I take an exception to that. Take a hold of your life. I am not the cause of your misfortune. You are the reason you are this way. I know nothing about the fire. Leave me alone and let me be.
Are you stupid?
Yes.
Did you just slap me?
Yes. And next time, if you lay your filthy hands on me, I swear to God, I will break your head with something.
Ella, just wait. Let me show you what the real devil can do.
Kristen, leave me alone.
Ella.
Kristen, leave me alone.
Ella! Ella, I'm talking to you, Ella!
What is it?
Ella, you see, today I'm not going to lock the door like every other days. But I want to make it clear to you that you're not going to work today, and that is final.
Why? What will I be doing for you at home?
I don't know. Do anything. You can cook, you can clean, just do anything. See, Ella, I see you no longer have respect for me because of the little change you feel you have. And I'm not going to take that. I will not.
You see, a few weeks ago at the hospital, we lost a patient because we had insufficient staff on ground. And that day you made me not to go to work. You see, today, I'm not going to let you deprive me of saving a soul.
How is that my business? Huh? How does that concern me? How does that concern me? But wait, let me get this right. Ella, are you saying that you're going to choose your job over me? Ella, I'm talking to you and you're walking out on me? Ella! What? Imagine that. Ella, I'm talking to you and you walked out on me. Fine. See the way you've gone out, just make sure you remain outside. Because if you come back to this house, Ella, if you come back to this house,
Oh yes, it's also actually a minor issue. Something food could actually handle.
Food?
I'm telling you.
Seems like he's not the eating type.
Well, it's just a new habit. He was not like that before.
Oh. You see, most times when people are going through bad times and all these challenges, they tend to stop eating, forgetting that they actually need food to go through the phase. In other words, no matter what you're going through, make you try chop first.
Tell you, you can hear it from your nurse now.
Yes, I heard it loud and clear. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nurse.
Ella.
Nurse Ella, I'm Jaden, okay? You're now right now.
Just take care of your brother and yourself.
I will. Stay safe, okay? Bye.
Bye.
Tell me what is good about this evening. Yeah, that there is nothing good about this evening. So this is who you are. Ella, so you can actually do this.
What have I done?
How much is your salary? Ella, don't lie to me. Don't even think of lying to me. I will ask you for the last time. How much is your salary?
120K.
120,000 naira? And you told me it was 80,000. Ella.
Do you think I'll be stupid enough to give you all of my salary? Money I worked so hard for.
You talking back at me? Look, Ella. And I am trying to keep my cool. You know I am not a gentleman. So don't stress me. I will ask you for the last time, and when I ask you a question, you answer me directly. Where is the money?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Emanuela, I said, where is the money? Give me the money.
I will do no such thing.
You will do no such thing. Did you just say you will do no such thing? Huh? Did you say you will do no such thing, Ella?
Leave me alone!
Give me the money!
Leave me!
I said, give me the money! Ah! Ella, come back here. I said, come back here.
No.
What is wrong with you?
Oh, leave me
Ella,
alone.
so you have the guts to kick my balls? Go back to the house.
No. I'm not going in.
Go back to the house.
No.
I'm going to hit you.
No.
I will deal with you, Ella.
No.
Go back to the house.
No.
I said, go back to the house. What's going on here?
Help me.
Oh, you're taking shit behind him, eh? Huh? Yeah. Come on. Hey!
Respect yourself. Do you want me to? Are you stupid?
Woman, are you okay? What is wrong with you? Eh? Please, I do not have any business with you. What? Come on. Ella! Come on. Go back. What is wrong with you? Do you know me? Come on. Why do you think you're going? Come on, we'll get out of here. Ella!
You must be very stupid. If you come close to me, I'll break your head.
You break my head. You break my head. This stupid girl kicked my balls. I know you can say it.
Respect yourself.
Ella, come down from the car.
Respect yourself.
Bro.
Respect yourself.
Bro.
What's good for you? Just respect yourself.
You're going to...
I'm warning you now.
My friend, will you get out of here?
I'm warning you.
Will you get out of here?
You.
Jama. Oh, okay. Oh, is that how you want it? That's how you want it, eh? Okay. Fine. I'll get you, Ella. Okay. Ah! Ella!
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Relax, relax. Take it easy.
Thank you.
Don't worry, you're safe here, okay? Nothing will happen to you, I give you my word.
Come in.
Hey.
Hi.
Can I?
Sure.
How are you feeling?
I'm better now. Thank you so much for today. You really saved my life.
It's okay. You don't have to thank me anymore, it's fine. I want to ask something. A few hours ago, you were very kind and sweet to me at the hospital. And then a few hours later, you got into a dilemma and I just want to know, is everything okay? If you don't want to talk about it, I understand. You must be going through a lot. Anyway, let me go get you something to change into and maybe tomorrow we can sort out your wares.
Thank you very much. I appreciate all you've done for me.
I said you don't have to thank me anymore, it's fine. Just feel at home and try and relax, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Good night.
Alright. Good night.
Hi, Jasper.
Oh. Hey. I came to check up on you earlier, but I noticed you were sleeping. So I just let you rest and not disturb you.
Oh, that's very thoughtful of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So are you okay? Is there something you want to say?
Something? No, I don't want to say anything, no.
Look, it's fine. If you have something to say, you can say it.
Okay. The thing is that, I've been here for the past 2 days, eating your food, wearing the clothes you got me, occupying your space. I think it's time for me to leave.
Is there a problem? Did I or my brother do anything to you?
No. No, you guys have been so good to me. Matter of fact, you're like the nicest person I've ever met.
So why then do you want to leave?
I just feel like I'm inconveniencing you.
If that's the case, then I want you to know that you are not inconveniencing me. But even if you wanted to leave, where do you want to go?
Anywhere.
You don't have anywhere in mind to go. Okay, look. Let me be 100% true with you. The first time I saw you, I felt a connection with you. I didn't know what it was, but at that point I knew that you were going through a lot. And somehow I just thought maybe God wanted me to save you and to come to your rescue, and that's why I did. Look, I want you to know that as long as you're under my roof, you're my guest, and if there's anything you need, I'll be more than happy to provide for you.
You've done so much for me already. Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't even thank you enough.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Thank you.
It's fine. You don't have to kneel down. It's okay.
I appreciate it.
It's okay. Okay, so now that we have that out of the way, would you like to get something to eat? Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay then.
Okay. Nene. Who says there's no God? Hey, he saved me from Chris. I'm telling you. I've been at his place, so if you see, he has been taking care of me. He feeds me. If you see the clothes he got me, hey, a box full of clothes. I've been chilling. Eh? Who is talking about that one? He has been calling me like a retarded person. God forbid, I will never go back there. Hey, do you know, I might not be lucky next time, oh. Hey, that guy will kill me. No, am I stupid? No, don't worry. Ah, wait. Please, I'm chilling. I'm enjoying my leave. Go and get ready for work. Me, I'm chilling. I'm just here. Yes. Hey, Jaden.
Hi, Ella. How are you?
Always working. How is it going?
Well, the work has to be done.
True.
Yeah.
So, what of Jasper? I haven't seen him around.
Oh, my brother. He should be in his room.
That's not like him.
On the contrary, that's actually his routine. He probably took a break from that just to make you feel comfortable.
Is that so?
Yes. My brother is passing through a very hard time. He lost what he cherished the most. And that has turned him into a shadow of himself. So I'll be going on a 2 weeks business trip. So I don't know if this is possible or if it will be convenient for you. But I would really appreciate it if you can take care of my brother for me while I'm away.
Is that all?
Yes.
That's not a problem now. Haba.
Thank you so much. I mean,
Of course.
this has actually been giving me a headache on how it's going to be.
You're more like family to me. Come on.
Thank you so much, Ella, please.
It's okay.
Thank you. I do appreciate that.
Let me leave you to get back to your work.
Please, I have a lot I have to take care of.
Get the money.
Thank you. Okay. All right. That went well.
Don't you like the food?
Oh, the food is fine.
Should I make you something else?
No. This is okay. This is fine.
So why are you not eating it?
It's just that I am not hungry for food.
Are you hungry for alcohol? Okay, you know what? Let's play a game. When you finish eating your food.
I don't think I'm in the mood to play games.
Hear me out first. We'll write out 10 questions each. You ask me the questions. If I lose, I take a shot. And if you lose, you take a shot. We'll do this and see who gets drunk first.
Okay, I kind of think I like this game.
Of course you will. It's called Truth or Dare.
Okay, but I must warn you beforehand that you're the first that's going to get drunk.
And don't be too sure. But finish your food first.
Okay, so we start when I finish?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Who was the first drunk in the Bible?
Are those the kind of questions you'll be asking me?
Yes, please. Now answer.
Okay, first drunk in the Bible. Abraham.
No. Please drink. Let me serve you. Matter of fact.
Okay.
Yes. Drink up.
Bon appetit.
Woo! It's your turn now.
So where do I take from?
Just from the top.
From the top? Okay, so tell us the most daring thing that you've done. I'm not going to say something dumb like, oh, you fell down the stairs or something. No, it has to be daring.
Most daring thing I've done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I fell down the stairs.
No, you stole your father's money. That's what you did. I can see it in your eyes. Now it's your turn. Drink.
This cup is too full, oh. It's hot.
Are you okay?
Yes.
You didn't finish it now. See, it's 3 minutes.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Happy now.
Mm-hmm. So it's your turn. Yeah, what's that?
Okay. So it says do a sexy dance for us.
Okay. So I have to drink, right?
No.
You're the one who's going to do sexy dance for us now, not me. What am I going to do?
Drink them if you like.
I think of you every day. Oh, memories of you lives in me. Yeah, I can't move.
Hey, God. Where is this phone? Oh, is this irrelevant fool?
Take the hands of time, oh, and bring you back to me.
Wakey, wakey. Hello. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
I made you breakfast.
Okay. How come you're so active?
Oh, let's just say you drank more.
I did, didn't I?
Let me pour you some tea.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, how do you feel now?
Same.
So it didn't work then?
What didn't work?
I mean, I thought alcohol was supposed to take our pain away, and I decided to try it. Why settle for something so temporary when you can find a permanent solution to it?
permanent solution like what?
Fight. You can fight this depression. Fight the pain away and try to move on.
You know it's easier said than done, right?
It is. But if you set your mind to it, you can actually win this.
Anyway, thanks for the tea.
You're welcome. You have some bread too, and eggs.
Oh, you made me breakfast in bed?
Of course.
Is it nice? Yeah, maybe sometime tomorrow. Let me call you back. All right. Ella,
Oh, hi.
is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
You seem to be sitting out here by yourself. Are you sure?
Yes, I've just been thinking.
Thinking about what?
About my life.
And how is life treating you?
Both fair and unfair. You see, I went from being an only child to becoming an orphan. Then I thought I had found love in this amazing man. He stood in as my guardian after I lost my parents. He saw me through school. And when I thought my whole world had become bright, it came crashing down. He became a monster. Sometimes I kept praying and hoping he would change. But days turned into weeks and into months. But no change. I wonder how such an amazing man became so vile. It baffles me.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, come in.
Hi.
Hey.
I brought you some of your ironed clothes.
Wow, you worked so hard. Thank you.
I mean, it's the least I can do for all the help you've rendered to me. So where can I keep them?
Alright, just leave them right here. I'll put them in the wardrobe.
Okay.
Thanks.
Hey, is she the one?
Yeah. My beautiful wife. The love of my life.
She's so beautiful.
Yeah, she shines like the sun. And she resonates like diamonds. You know, she is the perfect example of beauty and brains. You know, she lost her life on the way to the airport to pick me up. Her and our unborn child. You know, I still replay that day and I wish I took a taxi.
There was nothing you could have done. Accidents happen every day, and it's just unfortunate this one claimed their lives. Haven't you mourned enough? Every day you beat yourself up over what happened. I'm sure she would never want you to be this way. She would want you to move on by now.
Well, I'm not making any promises, but I'll try.
You will try, or you will do it.
What do you mean you will do it? I don't understand. Since when did you start giving me orders?
What?
Yeah? I will do it. I don't understand.
You will try, Abi, you will do it. Tell me.
You're still telling me that I'll do it. Let's go.
Collect this ball now. Hey God, see go. Over the bar. These boys are not making me happy now. They're not.
Has your team scored yet?
No, they've not scored.
Please take.
Thank you.
Just give them time now. They will.
Give them time. These boys are not playing my game. They're not making me happy now. What's the meaning of this?
I beg you, this push should not give you high BP.
True ball now. Pass to your guy now. Why are you passing? See, they'll score again now.
Calm down.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Stop going back. Pass to your guy in front. Let's go. Senior striker.
We should play something more interesting after this.
Like what do you have in mind?
What?
What? I'll eat you now. You are chicken.
Hey, okay.
Go! What are these guys playing now? You want to play what? Bring it now. I'll eat you. Let's go. But before we play, before we play, we have to bet. Bet money. Do you agree?
Sure.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Pass this ball, idiot. Why are you looking like one domestic fool? Pass the ball. You a bastard. Oh, God. We lost the game now.
Okay. They finished playing. Oh yeah.
We lost the game.
Sorry.
I knew it. I don't know what they were playing today. What kind of rubbish game is this? You know me, I'm already angry. Yeah, let's play.
Cut it now. I'm coming now.
Are you ready?
This is my game.
Your game.
Oh, wait. Last card.
Pick two. Market. Last card. Check.
You cheated!
How did I cheat now?
Haba.
So I should give you my account number, Abi?
For what?
Because whoever loses now will pay the other person. That's what we said.
Calm down now. We're still playing. I'm still here.
You and this your gender and money. You don't want to pay now, Abi?
I will pay you. But wait, after the game. Or you don't think you'll win me again?
Of course I'll win you.
I'll pay you at once now.
Better have my money.
I promise, I will.
Let's go.
Yeah. Okay.
Can't even play safe. You're supposed to drop one more card. Why are you giving me free wins, free game? Go to market. Don't have any card. Last card. My money.
You're cheating.
My money for drinks is short this weekend.
You're cheating.
Go to market now. You're not playing.
I've already gone.
Last card.
You don't even, oh, this is my game.
Oh, story.
This is my game.
Story for the gods.
course, I know it's women fighting
I
over
think of you every day.
My opinion is, I mean, she already started investing in someone. Why don't you just wait?
Memories.
You see? So now that's 2 questions.
Yeah, I can't move on.
Hey.
How can I move on from you?
Do you know how hard it is,
baby?
The sacrifices lady has made.
I wish I can take the hands of time. Oh, bring you back to me one more time.
But in all honesty, yeah, when he came back and he paid her off.
What do you mean pay off?
And she now came back and she said she wanted how much? Half or everything the guy owns.
Life has been meaningless.
He gave her more than she
10,000.
What do you mean 10,000? So how much did she have He gave her that and then he gave her part of the company. She said she didn't want it. That she wanted that I think it was her money she used to start the company.
Yes, it was.
I've tried to move on from you.
We didn't go right
But it's impossible. I wish I could take the hands of time. Oh,
so what do you think?
and bring you back to my arms one more time.
Tell me I'm the best chef you ever seen. Let's go. You give me A's. Me. I need this food. Let's keep my chicken. I'm really right now. You remember the chicken, was it? It was my mother should have been chicken now.
I want you. I want you.
It's ready.
You know that. Best. Just we go to the room. I had enough chocolate. Chocolate now, I had enough now.
I'm not eating rice.
What do you mean you don't eat rice? See? It's okay for you. It's enough now. You're eating too much. Look at your cheeks. Your cheeks is not going big. You lie when you tell me. Yeah.
I never knew you were so ticklish.
Stop!
You know what? I'm so happy that you are doing better now. You're so happy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I guess I'll go take a shower.
Okay.
All right?
Hey, Ella.
What do you have here?
Nothing. Guess what?
What?
It's for you. It's for you.
What's this?
Go ahead, open it.
Send me a dress.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. I love the color.
I'm glad you do. Well, I wanted to take you out tonight, and I thought the dress would be suitable for the occasion.
Occasion? What's the occasion?
Dinner for two.
Ah, you want to take me out on a date?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we've been home all day, so I was thinking that maybe we could go out and get something to eat.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I can't wait to see what you look like in that dress.
I can't wait to.
Okay, so go ahead. Go change.
Let me go check.
I know the drill, so I'll probably be here for like 6 hours waiting for you.
Make it 10.
10? Jesus. It was fun. And then when the guy started playing his violin, I was like, what? That was so cool.
I had such a good time.
Yeah, me too. I think we should do this more often.
I agree.
Look. Ella.
Oh, I need to take this call. Sorry. Nene, how far? Oh.
Mom, please, come on. No, Mom, it's not like that. We're just friends. There's nothing happening between us. We're just cool. And I don't see her in that light anyway. Yes, Mom, I like her company. Yes, we spend time together. Mom, look, I think you're taking things too far. Yeah, I know. Anyway, how's Dad doing? He's fine? Alright, Mom, send my regards to him, okay? Alright, Mom, I love you too. Bye.
Good day.
What are you doing here?
I've come to see Ella.
Chris, what are you doing here?
Babe.
Babe? Where's your babe? What are you doing here?
Babe, please. I am sorry. I know that I do not deserve to stand before you and ask for mercy. Please find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please.
Such audacity. So you feel you can just waltz in here and ask for forgiveness?
Babe, please. I just realized my mistakes. And I let the situation got a better part of me. Please, babe, I'm begging you. Just give me this last chance to make it up to you. Please.
Where do I even want to start from in forgiving you? Eh? Is it the beatings? Is it the molestation? Is it the cheating? Chris, you made me work for 2. And yet you starved me in my own house. No, let me talk to this guy. I loved you. I cared for you. I did everything you wanted me to do. Yet, How did you pay me back? There is no evil you did not show me. There is no evil in this world you did not put me through.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was depressed. I lost everything. Everything that makes me a man. I lost my source of income. And the fact that my shop got burned under your watch made it worse. I'm sorry. I just got to realize that the incident was as the result of electrical fault, which there was nothing you would have done. Please.
I will never take you back. I will never forgive you.
Please, I'm sorry, please. Forgive me, please. I promise that I'm a changed person. Just give me this chance. I promise you I'll make it up to you, please. Please.
Get out.
Ella, please. Please. Bro.
Chris, I want you to get up and get out.
Please, babe. Please.
Chris, I want you to leave this place! Get out! What else do you want from me? Leave! If I come back here and I see you here, I'm going to beg you with hot water.
Babe,
Ella,
please.
calm down.
Bro.
Look, this is not the best time to speak to her. I think you need to come back or either just call her.
But please, just help me talk to her, please.
Trust me, it's not the best time. You still love him, don't you?
The heart is funny, isn't it?
Then I think you should hear him out. Okay?
I got to realize how bad I treated you after you left. And I am not here to explain myself because nothing I would say will explain or justify my actions. I'm sorry you didn't deserve it. You're way too kind to be treated that way. I'm sorry.
You know, it's crazy how after everything, I still have some feelings for you.
Ella, I love you truly. I love you deeply. You deserve everything good. And I want to spend the rest of my life giving that to you. Please forgive me, please.
I forgive you.
Why you keep on punishing me? Why can't you forgive and let go?
Well, I guess congratulations are in order.
Thank you very much, Jasper. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate from taking her in, listening to me, and then making this happen. I owe you a lot, bro. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Well, it's nothing. You see, Ella here is a very, very, very good friend to me. And she's got my back. She also helped me out in a lot of ways. And helps me with my own personal depression. So I'm not worried about her. Rather, I'm worried about you. You have to promise me and give me your word that this will never happen again.
Bro, I cross my heart and I give you my word that I will never, ever hurt her again. She is my world, and I want to live the rest of my life giving it to her.
You're a good man.
Thank you.
And I see that you have retraced your steps. You see, in virtue of my relationship with Ella, that has now made you family.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
And to support your business, I'll be giving you 10 million naira.
What?
Oh my God.
Babe, did you just hear that?
I heard him.
You're going to support my business with a sum of 10 million naira? What? Thank you very much, bro. You don't know what this means to me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jasper.
You're welcome.
Jasper, thank you so much. You've been everything to me since. I really appreciate how you took me in. And you didn't even take advantage of my vulnerability. Thank you. I can't even thank you enough. Thank you.
Guys, come on, please. There's no need for this. We should be celebrating.
Thank
Please.
you so much.
Please, stand up.
Jasper, you are indeed a good man. You're way too kind. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. For you are indeed an inspiration to so many men out there. You offer help without taking advantage of situations. Your character is worthy of emulation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh,
thank you so much, bro. What?
Okay, guys, so I'll get drinks and let's celebrate.
No pleasure, bro. I never thought a day like this would come. I thought I've lost you forever.
I guess I love you too much.
No. I am a man. God has shown mercy. Having another chance with you shows how much God loves me. You are a rare gem, Ella. You carry grace, and your star shines so bright. I can't believe I was foolish the first time.
Don't start calling yourself names. We are together now, and that's all that matters.
I love you, Ella.
And I love you too.
Why can't you forgive and let go? After everything we shared, oh, you keep on hurting me again and again. No matter how I try to make amends, but it's not working out. It's not working out. Oh, the more I try, the more I feel. It's never working out. It's never working out.